I stopped by my local Dollar Tree to pick up a few items to spruce up the outside of my home for the summertime. Look at this beautiful selection of wooden birdhouses. So welcome back guys to Miss Puff Creative Corner, and I am going to jump in and start creating a wreath. So I got this willow wreath from my Dollar Tree, and I am going to go ahead and paint up this birdhouse with some Waverly paint that I have in my stash. So I'm using the white Waverly chalk paint as well as the wax chalk paint. I am reusing this birdhouse. As you can see, I used it last year for an Easter DIY. So reuse what you got in your stash. No need to go out and repurchase and save those pennies, guys. So I like how this brown is looking on top of that yellow, and the yellow is just peeking through. So if you guys are new to my channel and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Let's add a little character to this birdhouse by adding some little streaks of brown to the white. So next I'm going to bring out the willow wreath. I'm going to add some green stem and leaves to it, and this was left over from a previous project where I used the flowers on that. I'm going to create a bow using this burlap wired ribbon, and I love using wired ribbon because it helps that bow to keep its shape. And every time the Dollar Tree has burlap ribbon in, I try to purchase it because burlap goes with just about anything. So I am going to put some ducktail cuts to the tail of my ribbon. You can typically find a fair selection of ribbons from your Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to bring the birdhouse back up. I got my hot glue gun ready and my pipe cleaners. You can also get your pipe cleaners from the Dollar Tree. Add a little dab of glue to the back of the birdhouse. The pipe cleaner goes right on top of it. Another dab of glue. And then for extra security, I'm going to add a piece of fabric covering the pipe cleaner. So at my Dollar Tree, they had a beautiful selection of florals, and the yellow ones caught my eyes. So I'm going to clip a few and just stick it in between the bow that I created. So I'm going to stick one to the top and then one to the bottom. So now to attach the birdhouse to my willow wreath, I am going to go ahead and twist that pipe cleaner to the back of the willow wreath, and this way I could reuse this birdhouse in a future projects if I choose to. Next, I'm going to take some Dollar Tree twine and wrap it around the top of the wreath. Not only am I going to be able to hang up my wreath with it, but it's also going to give it a little design. Look at how it looks on my door. What you guys think? My Dollar Tree had a wide selection of planters. You could get even multiples for $1.25, and you can't really beat that. But I really love this ricotta looking trough, and I picked up a couple of those. So with a Sharpie marker, I am going to evenly space out 3 dots to create some holes. You're going to need a broomstick. You could use an old broomstick, or the Dollar Tree have broomsticks for $1.25. I am also going to be using some ties. You could get those from your Dollar Tree too as well. So what I'm going to do is take this trough to my craft space and take a heating tool and create those holes. Now this heating tool is from We Are Memory Keepers, and I got it out of my photo sleeve kit, and it comes in handy. So now that I've created those holes, I'm going to go back on my patio, take my zip ties and run them through the holes. So that's going to help me to attach the planter to the broomstick. And then you could see to the back where I have those black planters. I'm going to use those too as well. And those are older planters I had just lying around that I had some previous plants in. So those already have some slits to the back of them, so I don't really have to create any holes to those. because they're in the perfect place to hang on the broomstick. I'm also going to get a couple of these over the door hooks from the Dollar Tree as well. So we're going to add the zip ties to the black planters and add those planters to the broomstick as well. So once the zip ties are all connected, I'm going to go ahead and cut the tails off. Next, what we're going to do is put our hooks up, add your plants to your planters. I got some herbs from my local grocery store. And also what I'm going to do is take those faux flowers, the remainder of those, the yellow flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add it to the black planters. And doesn't that look good? So this, you could do this all around your fence. Now the Dollar Tree have 4 for $1 seeds, plant seeds, so you could get your vegetables and your fruit. So I picked up 8 packs. They also had the citronella sticks, and they came 6 in a pack. There is less than 1% of citronella oil, and you could just add them to a vase and keep it on your patio. I also picked up this garden tool hanger from the Dollar Tree. You could also put your grilling tools on here too as well. And I also saw the mop and broom holder, which have a self-adhesive sticky to the back of it. But the garden tool hanger comes with some screws, which would be more sturdy. And I picked up these garden gloves, which I thought was pretty cute. I hope you guys got creative value from today's video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button down below. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on that next video.